Hey friends, Katie Osborne with Truck Hero, and alongside me is Bryan from A.R.E. Now coming over to the booth here, this thing really stood out, and I really like the name. It's called the DoubleCover. Why exactly is it called that?
Yeah, so this is A.R.E.'s first venture into retractable covers. It's our very first retractable cover we've ever manufactured. The reason we named it the DoubleCover is there's two different ways you can open the cover. So if you need to haul a cabinet, if you need extra height in your truck bed, you retract it all the way, you have the complete space for your bed, for a haul a cabinet, and then you can close it. But if you're just using it for everyday use, you just need to throw some gear in, whatnot, you just open it up like a traditional cover, throw your stuff in, close it, off you go.
Makes sense to me. And Bryan, one of the things I noticed when I walked up to this is how durable it is. Really kind of beefy, if you will.
Yeah, it's it's a very heavy duty cover. We put a lot of effort into making it one of the heaviest duty covers on the market.
Yeah.
To be honest, we may have done it a little bit overkill. Yeah, we may have done that.
I'm not certain if you can do that in the truck industry. I do like the name, I do like its function. It's the DoubleCover here offered by A.R.E. And of course, to learn more, you can always check out all of the products at truck-hero.com.